Have you ever wondered how to handle angry customers in the courier business? It's crucial to understand the roots of their frustration. Patience, empathy, and clear communication are key. Knowing why customers get upset can provide valuable insight into how to resolve these issues. So, what are the top 10 reasons why customers may get upset with courier drivers? First on our list is late deliveries. There's nothing more frustrating than waiting for a package that seems to take forever to arrive. Second, damaged goods. Receiving a parcel in less than perfect condition can certainly make a customer's blood boil. Thirdly, we have missing packages. Imagine the disappointment of expecting something, only to find it has vanished into thin air. Fourth, lack of communication. Customers like to be kept in the loop, especially when it involves their deliveries. Fifth, the dreaded incorrect delivery. It's annoying to receive someone else's package, and even more so when your own is missing. Sixth, unprofessional behavior. A rude or disrespectful courier can quickly turn a neutral encounter into a negative one. Seventh, unexpected delivery charges. No one likes hidden fees, and customers are no exception. Eighth, incomplete delivery information. A lack of clear instructions or details can lead to confusion and ultimately customer dissatisfaction. Ninth, inflexible delivery times. Customers want to receive their packages at a time that suits them, not the other way around. And finally, 10th, poor customer service. This can leave a lasting impression, and not in a good way. Understanding these issues is the first step in preventing and managing customer anger. Let's recap the key points we've covered. It's crucial to understand why customers might be angry, with 10 possible triggers ranging from late deliveries to damaged goods. In the courier business, effective communication and high-quality service are not just bonuses, they're necessities. When faced with an irate customer, always respond with patience, empathy, and professionalism. These qualities not only diffuse tension, but they can also turn a negative interaction into a positive one. Remember, the key to managing angry customers is understanding why they are upset and responding with patience, empathy, and professionalism.